Power tools, I look for something compact, light, durable. I mean, when I first looked at it, it just noticed how slim it was. You know, our bags are 30 to 35 pounds and we're wearing them all day. So the lighter, the better, and this is definitely significantly lighter. But it's very maneuverable, it's very sturdy, more compact, so I'd be able to get it in tighter spaces. It felt great. I mean, it felt like it could handle any job I have.
Weight is very important, working overhead, constantly having my hands in the air. After using the MAKITA, it's definitely a lot lighter than the tools I'm currently using. Same power, I could use it all day.
The compatibility from one battery charger to multiple tools is huge. If I can have one battery for my drill and my impact, it's less things that I have to carry. I can keep everything from my drill, my impact, my circular saw, a light, all on one battery. I don't have to get up, I don't have to stop and change batteries. The shorter the charge time, the more I can stay busy. I would totally recommend the subcompact to my electrician friends and people I know in other trades. It's less weight to carry all day, you get the power that you need, and it lasts.